Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make those eye-catching chat video animations, maybe for a fun social media post, a tutorial, or even a school project, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you step-by-step how to create a chat video animation right inside Canva, and you'll even get access to a free template by the end of the video. Whether you're a total beginner or you've played around in Canva before, you'll walk away knowing exactly how to make your own animated chat video. Let's dive right in. First off, head to Canva.com. You can do this on your computer or even your phone, but for today's demo, I'd recommend using your desktop if you want an easier time dragging and editing. If you don't already have a Canva account, don't worry, it's free to sign up and the steps are super quick. Once you're logged in, look for the big, friendly Create a Design button, usually near the top right of your Canva dashboard. Give it a click. You'll see a bunch of different format options, but since we want this animation to look perfect on phones and social media stories, select Mobile Video. This format is sized perfectly for smartphones, so whether you're posting to Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, your animation will fit beautifully, no awkward cropping or borders. Now that you're in the mobile video workspace, you might be staring at a blank canvas thinking, okay, what now? No stress, this is where the magic happens. Over on the left side, you'll see the Design tab. Click into it and then use the search bar to type in chat. This will pull up a variety of chat-style templates, some designed to mimic texting apps, others that look like friendly conversations. Canva makes it super easy by providing these pre-made layouts so you're not starting from scratch. Just scroll through and pick the one that fits your vibe best. If you're using my free template, just select it and it'll load right onto your project. Once your template is loaded up, it's time to make it yours. Double-click on any text box to edit names, messages, or even the timestamps. Feel free to add your own profile pictures, change the colors to match your brand, or even tweak the animation style. This is where your creativity comes in. Think about the story you want to tell. Are you recreating a funny group chat, showing a customer service exchange, or making a fictional conversation between historical figures? The possibilities are endless. Take your time with this part, don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can always undo changes or try different ideas until you love how it looks. Once you're happy with your chat animation, let's see how it all comes together. Hit the play button at the top right to preview your video. This is your chance to watch your animation in real time, catch any last little typos, or make sure the timing of each chat bubble feels natural. Sometimes you might notice a message pops in too quickly or stays on the screen too long. Go ahead and adjust the timing until it flows just right. Don't be afraid to experiment. The more you play with it, the more confident you'll get. And that's it, you've just created a custom chat video animation in Canva, ready to download and share wherever you like. How cool is that? If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more templates like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what amazing chat videos you create.